Okay, good morning once again. This is Reynolds Sibergonia for Computer Literacy. We need to wrap warp warp on this first part of introduction playlist. We have here computers. Today we need to recap, no? Okay, in computer we have three parts. Three infer that can three that can be pagkakundo in a computer, and we have here data and information. Okay, data is such like material, and that can be like raw materials, and then information, then they create, then they do steps in order to use useful thing, no? For example, the ingredients is data, then the final product is information. Salad baron, or example. Okay. After that, we have three parts of it. We have here. This is we are not covered the tutorial yet, no. So we have here hardware, the software. Then the third part is, some many people say they are people where Lakarana si ano, but now we are term for right now is nowadays is user. Hardware are composed of four or five. Basically are four, no? In 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 computer process, in computer in information system, you need to take like this. This is input. This is out. This is the process. This is output. This is the three. But if you need to add four, the storage will take place. So here. So, ipso na siya. So, input, process, storage, then output. So, mana siya. Number one is, we call it as the input devices. Input. Next is process. Next is storage. This is the basic, no? If there is something wrong, please comment if there's something wrong. Now, input devices. What are input devices? Number one is keyboard. Keyboard. Number two, mouse. Number two, joystick. That can be input the screen. And this. Then process. The process is you can be process on the computer, wherein you can be do on the computer by process. For example on that is CPU is general, no, but you need to be like RAM and ROM, and those are lots of more, no. Then storage devices that can be store data. For example, on this is we have here, okay, hard disk, then floppy, then what's this? Floppy disk, and lots of more. No, there are lots. There are many. Optical disc, for example. Optical. Then output devices are can be generate generate information. Number one is the considered as the peripheral devices, no? Printer. Then monitor. Wala siya. Webcam. By the way, webcam is, I don't know, it's input, but those are communication devices, no? Or you can be add here, communication. Now, but basically there are four them. If there's something missed, please comment in the comments below. Now, for the software, we have here two types, no? We have here application and application system, or considered as your operating system. Now, in OS, we are comprised of example of it. You can, but OS is the very important part of computer. You can, for example, you buy a hardware and then you did not use the, if there is not, having not installed